The higher 38 days to the new halving, fear and greed at 70%, which is great, and Bitcoin is currently trading at the 58.1k. Finally, we broke the 58k resistance and currently trading above it. You can see Bitcoin is approaching all-time high, closer and closer to it. So the current resistance would be 58.8k, which is the monthly all-time high close that we hit. It's the highest close that we've been on the monthly charts. And obviously 60k is like a mental resistance, which is pretty significant one. And yeah, the current resistance on long-term pitchfork is actually at 58.2k, which is like roughly $100 above the current candle that we are testing right now. So we may see a breakout in a couple of candles, or maybe in a current candle if you're gonna have a close above it. So yeah, and Ethereum, BNB, Cardano is also slightly pumping, except of Cardano. Cardano is kind of lagging compared to the other major coins. Cardano became top 4 crypto right now. It's currently below BNB. So yeah, by market cap obviously. And BTC dominance is kind of bouncing from a previous high that was at 45.1. So yeah, that's pretty much all tea for today. Obviously everything looks bullish. Daily time frame still bullish, weekly time frame still bullish. MACD on a daily still in a green phase, pretty big one, so that's pretty nice. So let's move on to the news. Let's start with the Swiss bank SIBA, not a Shiba, SIBA. They now letting customers earn yield on crypto holdings. By the way, that's a website of the bank, of this SIBA bank. So you can see Swiss banks are getting more positive on a crypto, Bitcoin, and stuff like that in general. So that's nice. That's nice to hear from Swiss banks right now. And also there's some analysis that's showing geographic distribution data that shows US takes leading Bitcoin mining position after China's crackdown on miners, obviously. So you can see US became top 1 country by the mining. Second one would be what is this country? I don't know. There should be some words about it actually. Kazakhstan, yeah. Kazakhstan. US at 35% of mining position, and Kazakhstan at 18%. And then Russia with 11%, which is pretty weird because Russia is having a lot of problem with the crypto, but probably not with the miners. Also, there's some news from Russia. Moscow now planning to ban Moscow is not planning to ban Russians from buying crypto abroad. So obviously you can go to any other country and buy crypto and it would be legal. So that's nice, obviously that's nice. Also, addressing Horowitz doubles down on crypto investments with new $500 million fund. So this is nice. Also, according to Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas, there are good signs that the SEC will approve Bitcoin futures ETF application from ARK Invest and Valkyria, but obviously it doesn't. Wait, Balchunas also pointed to ARK Invest Bitcoin ETF application on October 13 in partnership with 21 Shares and White Alpha Architect, noting that their assigned ARCA ticker was another good sign that the SEC was set to give a tick. Yeah, but it doesn't says the approximate data when it's gonna be done, but there's some hints. That's what he meant, I guess. That's some hints of. Also, Bitcoin miner Stronghold will list almost 6 million shares in its $100 million IPO. That is gonna be on a Nasdaq stock exchange. So more mining in crypto companies coming to the stock market, as you can see. So yeah, that's pretty much all news and TA for today. Everything looks perfect, bullish, and 58.2k right now, which is again coming closer to the 60k, and hoping for the breakout of the 60k, and obviously to have a what is this? To have a 63k monthly close in October, just like Plan B was predicting, and obviously 100k in the next month. So yeah, to the moon.